Hey everyone, this week's vlog is going to be a March break vlog, and so right now I actually don't have school and I have my spring break, but today I went out with my sister and my mom and we tried this new Mexican restaurant. It was really good. We went to the store and picked up some things for my friends that I'm going to be seeing tomorrow. I got them this Hershey's chocolate, it's like mini wafers. I also got them these matcha Kit Kats, and then as a joke got them some Kinder Surprise eggs. I have not had these in such a long time.
I'm like, okay, but then like it was yeah, so I found it. So it's a DIY and then they give you a bunch of charms and you can stick it on. It's so cute.
Wait,
It's
and
for smart
I actually like that.
And then you can stick your own, like there's like cartoons. Oh my god, time. So she does subtitles, like cleaning the room and stuff. And I really want it. Look! Oh, I don't hope I like. Oh my gosh, how pretty! I'm gonna buy a pair. You don't have the. You want slippers?
I am finished getting ready for dinner. I just changed my outfit and touched up my makeup. I'm going to have to leave in about 30 minutes, so I think I'm gonna go pick out a jacket that I can wear. I look so bad. It smells so good.
But I feel like ours is not going to turn out like this.
You feel like what?
Like ours isn't going to turn out like this. I'm really bad at this one. Oh my gosh.
Oh. Shoplifters, pickpocketers.
Okay, we came out of the store and we got grape gummies.
Is it yummy?
I love grape anything.
Black.
Green apple. Sorry.
Struggling.
Which one's better?
Grape.
Yeah, I think grape is better.
What do you think?
What is this?
acai place. So I'll show you guys what we get. We made it.
Oh my god!
Your parents not leaving? Huh? Your parents not leaving until like... So what if we're not done until like 10? The whole point is just to like hand in moments, like
And we're just sitting on the couch. It's very comfortable actually.
back in like 10 minutes.
Okay. Okay, walk. Shoppers, and I'm gonna go find my sunscreen. What is this? Pearl matcha latte. Okay, so we came home, got these sweet potato strips. My dog is smelling all of these cookies. And then we got him yogurt cupcake.
Sit.
Okay, I had to turn my light off. It was bothering me a lot. Turn this light on because I cannot stand that flickering light. Okay, we came downtown. It's like underground.